So you're talking about buying the GBP if the drop is towards 1.24 versus the USD. Firstly, what can take the GBP to that mark? Because we are in a bit of a limbo when we look at the situation on Brexit.
What can take pound down very clearly would be pure...
A no-deal Brexit scenario, which is off the table as of now?
No, in fact, if you get a no-deal Brexit, it is not going to be 124, it's going to be 115 or below. That is the reality. Now, what can take pound down to 124? The simple trigger would be just pure heightened uncertainty. Are we out of the situation? No, because right now, you call it an extension to 31st of October, but what is likely is, in our view, general elections are likely. We don't think that Theresa May is able to get the current deal through the UK Parliament. It is not likely to happen. Right. And with that, it opens the door for general elections. Is that higher or lower uncertainty? It is a lot higher because you don't know the parties, if they were to campaign, are they going to campaign on a harder Brexit or softer Brexit? It is purely uncertain. So if we get into the general elections, the volatility would simply bring the pound into a wider range. And I think that's the opportunity for you to buy pound cheaper.
That's very interesting, Teck, Leng, because I was looking at the 6-month chart on the pound against the dollar. If you can just bring that up, flat. It's been defending 1.3 for the longest time. There you go, the 6-month on the upright reading, minus 0.79. So just hovering around these levels for the last 6 months.
So in fact, the turning point, if you will, from the downside having been trimmed is 3 months ago, the UK Parliament was strongly against a no-deal Brexit. That essentially kept the pound at 130 and above, stable range. Now, our point here is that what if there is a general election and no-deal Brexit is again brought to the table? Because there are a lot of hard Brexiteers, hardliners, that would actually prefer that strategy. A bad deal is worse than a no deal, so they prefer a no deal. So if you do get a general elections, for example, and the prospect of, or the notion of no deal is again a possibility, you can easily break the 130 barrier.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.